May cash ako, titignan ko kung magkano ano. Para ano.
10, 15 probably.
Wow.
And those they won't last long. Especially with the water. Sunrise, sprinkling the moon.
What are you waiting for? Come on over for a small seat. Zoltar will give you a
Casino for kids.
Well, once again, Mardi Gras guests can I have your attention, please? This is your cruise director, Jackie Tang. Welcome you on board. Now, here at Carnival Cruise Line, the most modern cruise line in the world, we are dedicated to the safety of our guests and crew. Your attention is drawn to the safety information notice and the ship's plan showing escape routes located behind your stateroom door. Please take the time to read all the safety notice thoroughly and become familiar with the ship's layout, emergency signs, and the escape route from the stateroom to your assigned destination. Additionally, please watch the safety video playing on your stateroom TV. The captain requests that all guests who are not completed the self-plastic process to do so now. Once again, the captain requests all guests who have not completed the self-plastic process to please proceed to their assigned destination at this time. All guest services also suspended during the safety briefing.
It's in the middle? Right here?
Captain Giuseppe Giusa speaking. On behalf of all my officers and the crew, it is my pleasure to welcome you on board. Since safety is our highest priority, I want to remind everyone about the importance of knowing what to do in the event of an emergency. All guests must complete their self-master process before sailing time. I want to thank those who have already completed this important step. If you have yet to do so, please go there now. In a short while, your cruise director will be conducting the mandatory safety briefing broadcast, and I urge all of you to please pay close attention to the important information you are about to hear. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you this cruise.
Is that including this one?
Thank you, Captain, for that message. We will now be providing you with a mandatory safety briefing. We kindly ask everyone to pay attention to this very important safety briefing. Use of mobile phones are not allowed during the briefing. All guest services will be temporarily suspended now. We will now demonstrate the emergency signal consisting of 7 short blasts followed by 1 long blast on the ship's whistle. This will be supplemented by the same signal over the PA system. If you are sensitive to loud noises or have small children, please be prepared.
Three.
Now that was our general emergency alarm signal. In the unlikely event of an emergency, the general emergency alarm signal will sound. When the alarm sounds, you must take the following actions. Life jackets are stored in your designated muster station, so in a stateroom or in a location close by. Change into warm clothes, travel documents, and any essential medication, and follow the direction signs to your muster station. A muster station is where guests gather in case of an emergency and can be identified by a green square and a white sign with a symbol showing the family group. If you are in a location away from your stateroom, please go directly to your muster station. Your muster station assignment is noted on the bottom left corner of your sailor sign card, which is also your room key. It is also on the back of your stateroom door. Bring your sailor sign card for accountability purposes. Once you have arrived at a muster station, a crew member will give you a life jacket. Put it on. The crew member will help you if necessary. You should remain calm and follow the instructions of our crew members. Muster stations are located on deck 6, 7, and 8. If your muster station is not accessible, you'll be guided to an alternative location as directed by the captain. In case of an emergency, you'll be keep you informed through the PA system or directly through instructions from our crew. A low-level lighting system will be automatically activated, guiding you to the nearest exit. Earlier today, you watched a safety video demonstrating the correct way to wear your life jacket. Let's take a moment to review this crucial information together. When it's time to don your life jacket, place your life jacket over your head with the reflection strap facing outwards. Pass the strap around your back and engage the buckle in the front. Adjust to a snug fit by pulling the free end of the strap and secure at the top. Each life jacket has a reflective tape, a whistle, and a light to attract attention. For families traveling with infants weighing less than 33 pounds, 15 kilograms, and requiring additional instructions on how to don an infant life jacket, please reach out to the youth team located at Camp Ocean immediately after this briefing. All children 12 years of age or younger must have a green wristband, which must be worn at all times. If your child has not yet obtained one, extra wristbands will be available at guest services. If your child is 12 years of age or younger and is participating in a youth activity when an emergency arises, proceed directly to your muster station. The youth staff will escort the children to the muster station to be reunited with the parents. For this reason, it is important that your child wears the wristband provided to them at all times. In the event of an abandoned ship order, any remaining children will be escorted to the lifeboats by the youth staff and will be under constant supervision. For our guests requiring special assistance, a special needs team will help you in the event of an actual emergency. In the unlikely event that it is necessary to